Hi everybody, thanks for pressing play. The point of looking at a video like this is to give you a point of view of what it's like to drive a Honda CRV Hybrid, because it toggles through so many different modes. Anyway, from this video hopefully you'll get an idea on a road like this where we're doing about 80 kilometers an hour, how the car interacts in terms of engine and battery. So there's a couple of modes that you need to know about. So this symbol here signifies that there is power going from the battery to the wheels. So you can see the direction of travel of the blue line from the battery to the wheels. In real normal driving it's a bit quicker looking than that. The next mode then is where you have the engine transferring power to the wheels and also charging the battery at the same time. So the power going to the wheels, and then you can see it's charging the battery with the green line down at the bottom. There's another mode then when you require power, where you'll see the engine and also the battery working at the same time and transferring the power to the wheels, so it gives you maximum power. And then the other one, when you're decelerating or slowing down, you'll see power going from the turning wheels back up in to charge the battery as well. So between all the different modes, it's constantly moving between the different ones, but what it's trying to do is basically give you power when you need it, which is two power sources, and then a lot of the time it's trying to basically have the battery power the car, but when the battery goes low, it's using energy from the wheels turning and from the engine to recharge the battery to allow you to get back into an EV mode as well. So if you could just observe it along the way, it might help you understand it better. not sure if people find these point of view videos useful, but anyway, hopefully if someone is interested in how this car works in terms of the engine and the battery together, hopefully the video is after helping. Anyway, thanks for watching.